Ki kubor ki Bniah. Myntri Rangbah ke Jela, Konrad ki sangma ula penlong ke Jinglong Bishar Bniah ne ke sengi bu Chief Secretary DGP Additional CS ki he jo kita nak political ba ki Deputy Commissioner jo ki District beper ba Bishar Bniah ya ke Jingkhynra jong ke Jingkhynra snong ke badang ya cakman Assam. Ke sarkar kadang ye trelang bat ki DC da ke babtha ki bene kren ba ki BDO ki Pulin ki VDP ki seng Tremon ngobha bat ki nong elam snong ban yada na ka Jingman rungtu ki briosh ki jaka kaput jong ka Meghalaya. Myntri Rangbah ula pentip ba omshim ladon kanu ka jingja ka besngosi adu menta bat ki bor Bniah district kidang pelong ka Jing Bishar Bniah halor ka ni ka benta. Ula kentu ban pentip mardor ya kanu ka jinglet jingwan ka ba ishan kmat haki jaka kaput kanang banle ka badon kam.
The purpose of this meeting was to discuss the overall effect of the recent eviction drive that has been taking place in the state of Assam. And all this communication and overall interaction is being done to ensure that there is no infiltration or movement that takes place because of the eviction that is taking place in Assam into our state of Meghalaya. And we have been reported and informed that no incident has taken place in any of the districts.
Haka jing persang ban kentiu ke jingmi